I am the embodiment of health, beauty, and strength. I feel stronger and more beautiful with every breath I take. My body is a temple of vitality and grace, and I treat it with love and respect. I am becoming healthier, stronger, and more radiant each day. I'm connected to the divine energy that heals and strengthens me. I trust my body and its wisdom. I am proud of its strength and resilience. I am beautiful exactly as I am, and my beauty grows as I care for myself. My energy is vibrant, and my presence radiates confidence. I honor my health by making choices that nourish my mind, body, and soul. I am worthy of love, care, and everything that makes me feel beautiful, strong, and healthy. I am healthy, strong, and full of vitality. My body is beautiful, radiant, and powerful. I am at peace with my body and mind. I radiate beauty from the inside out. My strength grows with each new day. I am grateful for the gift of my health. I am grounded in my body and honor it deeply. My skin glows with health and confidence. I embrace my unique beauty inside and out. I am filled with vibrant energy. I am constantly evolving into my healthiest and most beautiful self. Every cell in my body supports my well-being. I am strong, resilient, and capable of handling any challenges life presents. My strength lies not only in my body, but in my spirit. My health is a reflection of the love and care I give to myself and others. I nurture my body with wholesome foods, rest, and movement. I radiate beauty in every way through my confidence, kindness, and vibrant energy. My beauty is timeless and ever-growing. I am at peace with my body. Every part of me is perfect as it is, and I honor the changes my body goes through. I am aligned with the natural rhythms of life, allowing health and vitality to flow through me effortlessly. I am grateful for my body, and I treat it with love, care, and respect. I enjoy watching it grow stronger and more beautiful each day. My strength is unwavering. With each breath, I embrace my power and resilience. I trust my body to heal, transform, and thrive. I provide it with all the nourishment it needs to flourish. I am the embodiment of beauty, strength, and health. My inner and outer self work in harmony. I am fully aligned with the energy of health, beauty, and strength. My body is my home, and I honor it with daily practices that enhance its vitality. I love every inch of my skin, every cell in my body, and every breath I take. I know that true beauty starts from within, and I radiate that beauty through my actions, thoughts, and intentions. I am a powerful force of nature. My strength comes from deep within, rooted in my soul's desire to thrive. I trust my body to move through challenges and to grow stronger as I nourish it with love, movement, and rest. I am growing stronger with each act of kindness, expecting nothing in return. I honor my beauty and see it reflected in the world around me. I am unique, powerful, and infinitely beautiful. I am committed to creating a life of health and well-being. Every action I take is aligned with my highest good, and I trust my body to support me in all that I do. I choose foods that fuel my body, rest that replenishes my energy, and thoughts that uplift my spirit. I know that the love I give to myself is reflected in my health, and I choose to embrace that love every day. My body is strong, resilient, and capable. I am in awe of its power to adapt, heal, and grow. I choose to honor my body's needs, listen to its wisdom, and trust in its innate strength. I release all doubts and negative beliefs about my body, knowing that it is a sacred vessel that carries me through life. I love and honor my body, knowing that my body is a divine manifestation of the divine. Every day, I celebrate my health, my beauty, and my strength. I am connected to the infinite source of energy that sustains me. I know that my health is naturally amazing, and I return to that truth with ease. I know that health is my natural state. Every part of my body is aligned with the energy of healing and renewal. Ashe.